South Sudan's Petroleum Minister and a high-ranking military officer allied to the country's opposition, which is led by First Vice President Riek Machar, have been arrested. Petroleum Minister Port Kang Chol was arrested at his home in South Sudan's capital, Juba. Officers of South Sudan's National Security Service arrested the minister at 2 a.m. on Wednesday, March 5th. Port spokesperson said in a statement that no official explanation or legal basis was given for his detention. The statement added that the minister's detention raises serious concerns about the treatment of senior government officials. Port belongs to the Sudan People's Liberation Movement in opposition, SPLM-IO, which is led by First Vice President Riek Machar. The minister's arrest comes on the back of armed clashes in his Nasir County hometown in South Sudan's northeastern state of Upper Nile. The clashes involve local armed groups and the South Sudan People's Defense Forces, SSPDF, which is the country's army. The fighting was reportedly triggered by SSPDF's alleged excesses in Nasir and the delayed implementation of South Sudan's 2018 revitalized peace agreement. The local groups also decry a vigorous disarmament exercise by the army. According to local officials, the clashes in Nasir, which began in mid-February, have claimed the lives of at least 21 people. More than 18,000 residents have also fled their homes. The United Nations said on February 18th that the clashes in Nasir involved the use of heavy weaponry. On Wednesday, Eastern African Regional Bloc IGAD called for immediate cessation of hostilities in Nasir. A source who spoke to Sudan's Post on Wednesday said Petroleum Minister Port had criticized the South Sudanese government over its handling of the Nasir conflict. Port reportedly championed dialogue instead of military action in Nasir. The minister's arrest came one day after the arrest of Lieutenant General Gabriel Duop Lam, who is the chief of staff of the Machar-allied Sudan People's Liberation Army in opposition, SPLA-IO. Duop Lam also serves as the deputy chief of the Defense Forces of South Sudan's Army, SSPDF. He was arrested on Tuesday, March 4th at the Army headquarters in Juba with 5 other senior military officials allied to SPLA-IO also reportedly arrested. SPLA-IO said no clear information was given over Duop Lam's arrest, terming it a breach of the 2018 peace agreement. Meanwhile, the South Sudanese government reportedly deployed a heavy security contingent around the home of the First Vice President Machar on Tuesday. SPLM-IO said it was gravely concerned about the stationing of heavily armed officers at Machar's residence, describing it as a breach of trust and direct threat to ongoing efforts to de-escalate violence in Nasir. The opposition has called for immediate withdrawal of security forces from Machar's residence and the release of Deputy CDF Duop Lam. Meanwhile, South Sudan's Information Minister Michael Makuei-Lueth said on Wednesday that the government was in the process of addressing the situation and people should not panic or listen to unfounded and unrealistic rumors.